Hello, this is Chris Roshnot 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. This is Yohann P2 made of walnut for the iPad Pro 10.5, 9.7 and Apple Pencil. So inside the box you'll see this finely crafted single wood piece. Okay, and this has multiple angles that you can put this at. You can also see that there is speaker hole and charger port hole and a spot for the Apple Pencil. So some unique details about this piece here. It presents your iPad in 6 different positions. You can have 3 angles in landscape and 3 in portrait view. It provides a stable support on soft surfaces like a pillow, a duvet, or your lap when on the couch. And you use this Yohann and your iPad while charging. As I mentioned and showed, there's a charging port there. So different positions, you can have it seated like this, or even like that. And then this is what the bottom looks like. So this is handcrafted by artisans out of a single piece of wood. We like wooden products that are sustainably made, and Yohann fits the bill. This is the P2 made of walnut. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter.